another beautiful day the Lord has made, and we'll rejoice and be glad in it. Yes. So, a little dance here and there. So, today we'll be packing beans, and I love packing beans for school sometimes because this is the avenue he gets to eat these beans. Also, once he gets home, beans becomes something he doesn't want to taste. But if I pack it for him to school, he will eat it and he will return empty plate. So school is a catch up for us if we want to eat beans. So I'm done packing beans, and protein of choice, I have chicken in there, and my son loves a bit of stew in his beans, so I had to top him with a little stew by the side of the beans for him. Okay, so I'm done with it. We are not packing too much today. So right here is going into the lunch box. His food and the spoon is going into the lunch box. And okay, what am I doing here? I want to show you people, right? As my fans that you are. So water is in. I have to put a lot of water because beans demands a lot of water, and his snacks in there. Then I'm checking up for his beep to be sure that the beep is right there, and checking if there's anything I need to clean before I put it right there in his bag. And I just dotted off some little thing that needs to be cleaned off. So right here, back into the bag. Yes. So I'm done packing, and our lunch for today is ready. Now we are in the session of dressing up. You have to dress up. So if you have not followed me, please do where to follow us, do where to subscribe to our channel. Subscription does not cost anything. Do where this is a little way of trying to encourage us and trying to help us come up here to give out our daily life as content. Okay, so please do where to follow us. We really appreciate your support and all that. So today, every Friday, every Thursday, I mean, they wear mufti. So the color code for this week is white. Okay, so I forgot his jacket. I went inside to get the jacket for the trouser so that it can be complete, you know now. So this is the jacket, and right here, I want to talk in the I want to tuck in the shirt inside his trouser, and my son said I should not button it, that he wants to do like a Superman. I said, okay, son, you got it. So his shoe is in turn, wearing the shoe right now. You can imagine that a boy of 3 years, he just turned 3 years last month, size 30 of shoe is no longer fitting him. He has big leg. Anyway, who will he resemble? Me to have big leg, and my husband has big leg also. So he got it from us, no complaint. So we are done wearing his shoes, trying to fit the shoe inside, and here it is. You're done with that, and here we go. Maybe you should listen to the voice of our conversation with my kids son. And he's just trying to tell me, Mommy, is this shoe not sizing me? I said, yes, don't worry, I'm going to fit it in, don't worry. So I'm here putting it in and all that. So enough of me. How you doing? How you doing? How is life going with you at your own side? I hope you're fine. I hope you're finding the economy a bit easy. I hope your business or your career is moving on fine. I care about you. It's not just about me or my son. I care about you. As long as you're on this page or on this channel with us, we care about you greatly. So how you doing? You can drop your comments in the comment section. Tell me how you're doing. What are you up to? Today is Thursday. What are your plans for the weekend? What do you want to do? Are you going out? Do you have a party, one bear wedding, or just get together with friends? What are you doing? So I want to know. Okay, my son's hair is actually well grown. Before I came down, he jumped down. Before I came back from where I went to, he jumped down from the table. Okay, so I had to comb his hair. It's actually a bit dry, so I had to go get the water and sprinkle on the hair to enable me comb it properly. Yes. So here we are with school runs, a little dance, a little play, just to make him feel comfortable while combing his hair. Okay, and all that. So we are done combing the hair, and this is us trying to wrap up today's get together with us in school. I was like, Mommy, my hair is paining me. Okay, I said, rest your head on me, and he rested his hair. Before you know, back to my trouser, back to my head, children. And the way they can play around their mommy's body is amazing. We're not complaining. This is the gift of God to us, and we are loving it. Thank you, son, for being there, for being my friend and my brother and my baby at the same time. We love you. So a little prayer. We have to pray for him, declare into his life before he leaves for school. It's very important for you to do that little 2 minutes prayer or even 1 minute prayer for your child before they leave the house. It's very important. We can't underplay the place of prayer and the place of putting them in the hands of God.